What is it about people who live in the country? They get a bit of country air and they go mad. Like, you don't get people in cities doing that sort of thing, do you? Just sit down. Quiet, please. Quiet. Thank you. Thank you. Right, who are you?
I'm Barbie.
And you're a Pearly Queen?
That's right.
What a fine, fine tradition this is. An association started at the beginning of this century to maintain the rigorous obligations of the costermongers of the East End of London. Yeah, you're a bit of a weirdie, aren't you? Who are you? Cliff. All right. I wonder why we shouldn't do it. Come on. It's got to be them. It's got to be them, definitely. This started off as some sort of fertility rite in pre-Christian days. You imagine a fertility rite. How could you get near anyone dressed like that? 0891 800 311. If you think Cliff, the Morris dancer, please. 0891 800 322. If you feel that it should be the Pearly Queen. It can't be the Pearly Queen. It can't be the Pearly Queen. Shake your leg. That's it. Take him away. For goodness sake, take him away. Here we go. Go on. Is it Barbie the Pearly Queen? Can't be Barbie the Pearly Queen. It's got to be Cliff the Morris dancer. But you've got the votes. You have the power. Who's in the lead? It's neck and neck, but he's just there. Just but close, please, phones. Shake your leg a bit. 0891 800 311 if you think it should be the Morris dancer. 0891 800 322 if you feel that it should be the Pearly Queen. I don't believe you can. Shake your leg again. Something will happen. It will go away. It's time to grab again! Don't be so chivalrous. How dare you be so chivalrous? Thank you for the tens of thousands of calls. So let's see who it is. Please let it be the Morris dancer, please. It can't be the Pearly Queen. I think that's what you call reverse voting. If you'd like to come over here, you got away with it, Cliff. Well done. Excellent. Great. Thanks for that tenner you gave me. It worked, didn't it? Right, you'd like to get on there. Does the hat come off?
No.
Yes, of course the hat comes off. Right. OK, Barbie, it's your big moment. The Pearly Queen gets it. You voted for it. It wasn't the Morris dancer, it was the Pearly Queen. Brace yourself. Here it comes. The Lambeth Walk begun. Shake your bells, away they go. The Lambeth Walk begun. Shake your bells, away they go.